I'm Anthony Villain. I'm the Alpine Design Director. I am very proud to present you the A521 show car. It announces our new Formula One, which will race from the 2021 season under Alpine colors. It is a magnificent Formula One, in line with the design philosophy of the brand. It expresses agility, lightness, always with elegance. We can see the first ingredient of the graphic identity of our team. In particular, our emblem, the A, and this tricolor blue, white, red band. It's interesting because when you look at the car from the side, it evokes the French flag. But when you look at it from above, the graphics evoke the British flag. This is a detail that we like a lot because it symbolizes the historic collaboration between our teams at Viry-Châtillon and those at Enstone. And the black color? Well, you tell me. That's a tribute to the group's first Formula One prototype in 1975, which, before it became a Renault, was an Alpine. And this car was black and was called A500. It is a kind of homecoming for Alpine, as well as a dream that is finally coming true. To race in F1, to propel the brand into the future, and give it the international influence it deserves.